Now picture this, you've got 300 pages to study. Your exam is in the next few days and you have zero time. What are you gonna do? Well, what if I told you there's a way AI could break your textbook into study notes, summarize it, provide you test questions, all without you reading a single chapter? Whether you're cramming for exams or just hate flipping through PDFs, this AI workflow will save you hours. And the best part is that it's all inside Google Docs using a free tool called GPT Workspace. So there's no fancy softwares, no fancy prompts, nothing. All right, guys, so for the sake of this video, I've got a 19-page journal article or PDF, all right? So what you want to do is you want to press open with and then open it into Google Docs. And once you open it into Google Docs, you'll get something like this. And then we want to go into extensions, GPT for slides, docs, and sheets, and you want to start it. And this is going to start GPT Workspace over here. Now, the way you can get this is just download the GPT Workspace free tool. It's an extension that you just it'll basically plug in so you can instantly get started, and then you can just follow along with me, all right? So I'll show you a few things that we can do. So once you have all your content, right? So all we can do is once we select all our text, we know, so this basically tells GPT Workspace what to base the next prompt off. Summarize this article into 5 key points with examples, right? And then it's basically gonna summarize our notes into 5 key points that we can use. So you can see all of this here. We can just insert that, and it has given us 5 key points summarizing the article, so we can just instantly read this and get a good sense of what the article talks about, right? So that's one use case, an example you can use GPT Workspace for in terms of study revision. The next thing you can do is you can ask it to create a bulleted revision guide from this text. Once you have the prompt, make sure you select everything so it knows what to base it off. All right, so another use case you can do is you can go create bulleted revision guide from this text, and then you can send that through, and GPT Workspace will read the doc and create a really easy bulleted revision kind of cheat sheet for you to study with and for you to practice some active recall on. That way you can sort of tick off which topics you need to study first, right, for your exam. Another use case you can do is, say we want to study a certain paragraph. So, for example, let's say we want to study a paragraph on the safety of intermittent fasting. So let's just say the safety of intermittent fasting is going to be something that will be in your exam. So you want to study that specifically. You can then go turn this paragraph into 3 flashcards with questions and answers. And GPT Workspace will start cooking. It's going to create us 3 flashcards for us to go through and do some active recall around the safety of intermittent fasting, so we're well prepped for our exam. Amazing. How good is that? Now, let's say, so this is more like the short answer and multiple choice section of the exam. Let's say for your long answer, you are required to write an essay, right? And you kind of want to figure out how you can write an essay based on the content that the uni or school has provided you with. So say this is the content, this whole PDF is the content. You can basically ask GPT Workspace to write a sample exam essay on intermittent fasting, and this document include intro, 3 arguments, and the conclusion. Aim for, we'll say, 800 words. Now, GPT Workspace is going to, based on the document that you have and all the flashcards and everything, it is going to create an example essay for you. And what you can do, you can go through the essay one by one, read it. You can see how they structure each argument and each paragraph and the conclusion. And then you can use that as a revision theme for your long answers, right? So when it comes to your long answer section of your exam, you're going to be able to have a good structure that is based off what GPT Workspace has made for you. That's how amazing this whole thing is. It's easy to do all with one GPT Workspace extension and just Google Docs. It's really simple. It's not complicated. You can all have it inside one doc, and super easy to use. And we did this all in a matter of 5 minutes. Now, this isn't just AI for fun. This is study fuel. Whether you're in high school, uni, or just an adult learning, this workflow helps you learn faster with less effort. That's productivity. If you want the free textbook to notes system, There's a link for a free GPT Workspace trial so you can try it out before your exam. Make sure you like and subscribe this channel for more AI-powered productivity hacks.